My name is Tiffany and I am a patient at About Face Aging with Mr. G. I have been coming here about 3 years. I'm 42 years old, turning 43 next month, yay. And I just really want to look as young as I feel for as long as I possibly can. So like many people, I was really nervous about ever doing any kind of surgical procedure, especially doing anything to my face, Botox, facelift, anything like that. I of course knew I was going to get older at some point. Just tried to deny it for the longest time. When I was about 38 years old, I got free Botox in Austin with a couple friends of mine, and actually saw that, you know, it did make a huge improvement, and I loved the result, and wasn't painful at all. So I decided it was something that I was going to do on a regular basis. And again, you know, nervous about, you know, finding a local place that could do it. My husband was really not a fan. He was always afraid that, you know, something was going to go wrong, and, you know, I was going to have a shift in my face or look different or something like that. So you see a lot of horror stories, but this office came highly recommended, and so I decided to give it a shot, and I've been a patient ever since. So some of the procedures that I've had done here, this is not all just a blessing. I receive Botox injections about every 6 months. Sometimes I will go about 8 months before I really start to notice the fine lines around my eyes. I normally receive about 12 units that go on the outside corner of my eyes, and then sometimes right here above the bridge of my nose to draw my eyebrows up a little bit. I also, since the time I was a child, have had a lazy eye. So the Botox definitely shows improvement in that. It lifts this this eyelid to make my eyes look more even, and really helps with my self-consciousness about that. So I highly recommend for the ladies, no matter what your age is, what you've had done, what you've not had done and kind of been procrastinating on, you definitely should do this for yourself to increase your own self-confidence. Don't worry about, you know, a lot of people have procedures done and they're embarrassed to talk about it, or they deny it, and that's absolutely not the case. When you deal with the staff here, it is all about you and what you want to achieve. It's a very personal experience where they will talk to you about your different options, how little, how much, to make sure that your end result is exactly what you want it to be. But I do highly recommend the office, especially if you are a first-timer coming to have a procedure done. They'll educate you, and best of all, there's a rewards program, so the more you have done, the more points you accrue, and we all know how great that is.